Hello guys, this is Daisy Barajas and I want to show you guys real quick how I did this sublimation blanket. This is my first one ever and it wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be, but it does take some time. And I want to show you guys really quick what I did. You want to make sure that you take all the wrinkles out first, and then you want to look how do I explain this? You know, the fur, you want to make sure that you find where it lays and how it lays. Like, you want to make sure that it's laying on the same direction before you apply your image and iron it on the blanket.
Go.
right here, I'm folding it halfway, and then I'm gonna iron it, and that's gonna give me a guide to tell me where the middle is, because that's where I'm gonna put the baby's name. Guys, I printed out my image, and my printer, I don't have a big printer, so it's the regular printer pages that I'm using, not the regular printer pages, but the regular size of a regular paper. So the name, I wanted a big size. Obviously, if you want a big size, if you're familiar with sublimation and you cannot do a big size, you can always attach them together and put some heat tape on it, and then you can make yourself a bigger image. So I use 2 papers for the child's name, and as you can see, I'm going to put heating tape on it. I make sure that the tape, I don't know, I don't trust like if I would have taped it on the inside of the paper, and then like I was about to do, you're going to be able to see it. I was about to put the tape over the paper. I don't trust the yellow tape. Like, I don't know if you can understand, but the shiny part of the tape, I don't trust that touching my blanket, because I'm afraid it's going to sublimate the yellow into it. So that's why I decided not to tape it on the front side of my image. You're going to see what I'm trying to say. So right there, I was going to put it, and then I was like, no, hold on. I want the tape on the other side of the paper. So that's how I did it. And remember, this is my first blanket, and I still don't trust the yellow tape. I trust the adhesive side of it, because obviously it's gonna adhere to the blanket to hold your paper. But the shiny part of it, I don't trust the shiny part of it to be on touching my blanket, because I'm afraid that it might transfer the yellow color to it.
Go.
On here, I'm going to put paper over my image. Why? Because when you iron it, the steam will bleed the ink through it's going to bleed through the paper, so that I'm protecting my non-stick paper. I honestly don't know what they're called, but that beige color paper that I use to iron, I don't want the ink to transfer to that, so I protect it with regular printer paper. And this is how my blanket ended up looking. I hope you guys like it, and I hope this video was useful for you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.